In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a company knowledge base with Notion. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use space where your team can find answers fast, stay aligned, and keep documentation tidy and searchable. Start by opening Notion and looking to the very top left of your screen. You'll see a small drop-down arrow next to your workspace name. Click that arrow. This opens a quick workspace menu that gives you access to helpful tools, and it's the easiest way to jump into the template library without digging around. From that menu, click Templates. Notion's template gallery appears, showcasing pre-built setups for all kinds of use cases. If you land on a broader marketplace view, just make sure you're in the templates section, so the results you see are full-page templates you can add to your workspace in one go. Next, use the search bar and type company knowledge. Keep your typing simple and clear. Notion search is forgiving, but exact phrases tend to return the most relevant options. You should see templates designed specifically to centralize policies, workflows, onboarding resources, and tool guides, perfect for a company knowledge base. When you see a template that looks right for your team, select it. Take a moment to glance at its overview and structure. Look for sections like policies, processes, how-to guides, and teams, and check for a database-driven layout, which will make it easier to sort, filter, and grow over time. Choosing the layout that matches how your team thinks will save a lot of cleanup later. Now, click Add. Notion will copy the template into your workspace. This usually takes just a moment, and when it's done, you'll see a new page or set of linked pages appear in your sidebar. Everything you need to get started is already scaffolded, so you're not building from scratch. With the template in place, begin editing it to fit your organization. Rename the main page to reflect your company or team name so it's instantly recognizable. Update the introduction at the top to explain what lives here and how to use it. Open the databases and adjust properties like category, owner, status, or tags so they mirror the way your team organizes information. Replace placeholder items with your real content, policies, standard operating procedures, onboarding checklists, and tool instructions. Keep titles short and consistent, add clear descriptions, and use tags to group related content. As you go, link related pages together to make navigation intuitive. The goal is to keep the structure simple, searchable, and sustainable. That's it. Your Notion-based company and knowledge hub is now set up and ready to grow with your team.